Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Dart oil light. First, you'll want to get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the RUN position. This is one click before actually starting the engine. Make sure your foot is off the brake pedal when you do this. This initial step is crucial to properly engage the reset process for your oil life indicator. Next, with the ignition still in the RUN position, slowly and fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times. It's important to do this within a 10-second window. This rapid, repeated action of the pedal is the key input your Dodge Dart needs to recognize the oil life reset command. Be deliberate with each press. Once you've completed the accelerator pedal sequence, turn your ignition completely off. Give it a moment, then start your engine as you normally would. You should now see that the oil change light is off and your oil life indicator has reset to 100%. This confirms the process was successful and your vehicle is ready to go. For some Dodge Dart models, especially those with an advanced dash screen, you might use steering wheel controls to navigate to the oil life menu. From there, you can select and hold the right arrow button to reset the indicator to 100%. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Keeping up with your car's maintenance is important, and so is staying organized in other areas of your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.